you've been finding it difficult to get a proper prompt for whatever thing you want to do, there is a plugin called AIPRM for ChatGPT that will help you create a proper prompt for your piece of work, either it's your image creation or for your content creation. So on your browser, type AIPRM for ChatGPT. Once it opens, you will see the first web page that is there. Click on it. Now, this method is for desktop users. It's not, it's for PC users. If you are using phone, you find it very difficult to do something like this. You find it difficult to use plugin like this. So if you want to enjoy the full benefit of this tool, I would advise you use System. So when Chrome Web Store has opened with AIPRM for ChatGPT, click on App to Chrome. Once you click Add Extension, it will take some time and then it will open ChatGPT. So it has opened ChatGPT because I had already logged in here. So it just opens it. So once you have installed that plugin, it takes over your prompting journey. So you can see right here, instead of the normal blank page we always have whenever we open ChatGPT, what we will be seeing here is different categories and different things that we can do. Now let's look at the topic here. The first time, okay, let's look at the first time you open this here, you have about 4,000 something prompts here. Under general, this is generative. Let me click it on all because that was what was there previously. When you install it first, you see it, all the prompts. We have 3,860 prompts here. So we have different categories. If you just want to explore them, you can just explore them as much as possible. You can change to 20 per page or 16 per page. You can click next or previous here, and you will see also output here. You choose the type of English or language you want, the tone, emotional. So for the free version of this ChatGPT PRM, you only have emotional. Most times I prefer to leave it by default, and then you have writing style. So just leave it by default. You can only change, you can decide to change it, the language from British English to United States English, and then you enter your prompt here. But before you do that, you have to select the category in which you want to, in which your prompt fall under. So we have copywriting, we have DevOps, generative AI, marketing, operating system, productivity, SaaS, SEO, software application, software engineering, and onshore. So for instance, if I want to pick a topic in copywriting, I'll just click here and then I'll select the activities. The activity here, what do you want? Is it keywords? Is it persuade, positioning, script writing, and so on and so forth? If it is normal writing, you can click normal writing. So when you select this topic, all other prompts that have been created by other prompt engineers will show up. So you can see this is one of 20 of 753 prompts here. So you have so many prompts to play with under the writing here, and then sort by voting. By top votes, you can use top usage. It will arrange it by the prompts that are regularly used. Top trending, so you can decide to switch between top views or the latest update. So remember, we have under this here, we have 753 prompts. That means you don't need to do so much. All you need to do, just tell it what to do. It's going to, the prompt that is needed for you to get that thing you want has already been hard-coded in this AIPRM plugin. So all you need to do, just select the category that you want and you will see it. So let's assume I want, let's go here. Let me use top usage. Let's assume I want to write like a human. There's a prompt already here. I just give it a topic. I don't need to craft and rebrand just like we normally do. All I need to do is just put it there and it's going to create the right prompt for me. So we have human-like writer, write best articles to rank on Google. So if, for instance, you are writing for a blog, you can decide to choose this one. Now let's look at this here. Let me pick this one here. So once you click on it, you can see it has highlighted that you have chosen that category, write best article to rank on Google. So here they are telling you type on the article. So you don't need to tell it write so pages, do it like this, do it like this. Everything you need have been summarized. All the prompts you need have been summarized and hard coded into this category called write best article to rank on Google. So all you need to do is just to write the title. So I think this is very, very good and very, very nice for those of you who do not want to waste your time in crafting unique prompts. So let's see how far we can go with this. To type your title, let's say, what is blogging? So I just want to write on what is blogging. So that's my title. I'll click send. So now when you look at it here, you can see if you are a blogger, you see that this is on H1. It has started generating what blogging is. It has given me a catchy title here. We see what is blogging, a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of blogging. You can see the introduction. You can see this is another heading. So it keeps writing it in such a way that it will obey search engine optimization rules and will help your blog to rank better in search engine result page. So you can see it has just written this in a short space of time. But if I want to craft it, if you are not good at prompting, you will not be able to craft. So you can see created with AIPRM, that's by the way. So I'll just click on this button here. We have, this is for copy, this is for if you like it, this is if you don't like it, you place thumbs down. So I'm going to copy it here. Since I'm not going to use it for now, I'm going to leave it there. But if I'm pasting this on my blog page content management system, everything have been set. I can adjust this one and that's it. So you see that if I remove this AIPRM and say what is blogging, it's not going to give me the same content as this. That is the beauty of using AIPRM. It has already hard coded a unique prompt for you to do whatever thing you want to do. So let me go back to new chat here. Let's assume I want to write a book. I'll click on write a book in one click. So all I need to do is to topic that you want to write about. Let's look at, for instance, let's look at stage fright. So if I type stage fright there, it's going to start everything automatic for me. Remember, I had already said this to UK English. All I need to do is just follow the instruction that is include the instruction as is displayed there. So I'm going to click stage fright here and click OK and click send. Forget about this introduction here, this one created by blah 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 blah. So you can see the book title. It has given us a book title and it's writing it, Stage Fright, Overcoming Your Fear of Public Speaking. So you can see this is the introduction. This is chapter 1. This is just brief of chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 5, 6, 7. We can see it's writing it. So we will keep on. When it finishes summarizing it, it's going to continue writing the actual book. So all you need to do is just follow whatever it asks you to do. If it asks you to do any particular thing, you do. So now, if you look at this place, we have continue. So it has written according to the length it's supposed to write. But remember, it still remembers the code it is supposed to enter. So I'll just click continue. So when I click continue, it's going to start writing each chapter. So I don't need to do anything. Once it stops, I click continue until it has hit the last chapter that I need. So let's just look at it. So for now, as I'm comfortable with this, I'll click this button here and copy it, paste it on my word processing document or notepad or whatever thing you are using there. So let's go down here. I'll click on this to go down. You can see it has finished writing chapter 1. So all I need to do is to click continue here. So it's going to hard code continue writing, please. So you keep on doing this until you get to the last chapter. So all you need to do once you have done that, you copy it and paste on your word processing document. So for the purpose of this lesson and time, I will not wait for it to complete. So all you need to do is to click continue when it stops until it gets to the last chapter, which is chapter 15, which it had highlighted here. So by the time you do all of this here, you will find out that it will be up to something like there are about 6,000 words or 10,000 words. So I can click continue here. So if you find it difficult to create compelling and persuasive or unique prompts, you can always use ChatGPT AIPRM. So for now, let me stop this here and go over to the next one. So for writing, copywriting, you can pick any of these here, try each of them, and you can pick a particular one that suits what you want to write. You have YouTube transcript to article converter, use SEO optimizers for bloggers, bypass AI detection. So like this one now, if you want to write articles that will bypass AI detection tools, you can try this out. So when you use this one, you can try it out with, let's say, copyleaks.com, 0gpt.com, and SEO AI detector. So you can use this one to test the power of this here. This here, the person that created this here is trying to let you know that you can create content with AI using this here that will not be detectable by AI detectors. So you have article rewriter powered by Rank Math. This Rank Math is for bloggers here. You have create a best caption for Facebook and Instagram. So you can exploit these tools. Remember, under the writing and copywriting, you have 753 prompts to play with. So this is just like 0.1 of all you need from this tool. That's that about copywriting. I'm not going to talk so much about it. It's a tool that you can always play with. Then let's look at the generative AI. This is where I like talking most, because most people find it difficult to generate pictures or images that are very nice and good looking. So if you are having issues generating images that are good looking, you can always use the generative AI. You can select this one. What do you want? Is it dull E or mid journey or stable diffusion? So the one I taught most of you, which is under the Bean image creator, is under this dull E. So we just have few of them, but sometimes I like using everything. Sometimes I pick mid journey prompt. The only difference between mid journey prompts and other parts is that mid journey prompts can be very long. So if you put it here under the Bean image creator and it's very long, you have to shorten it. That is why you need to select the particular prompt you want to, the particular AI you want to use. So for now, so you can say create an image with ChatGPT. This one, if you want to create an image with ChatGPT, you can use it. Let's test this one and see if it will create an image with ChatGPT. So describe the image you want to create. So let's say a tech savvy on a, let's say tech savvy. Start the spelling of savvy. Typing. Let's say typing. Press enter. So let's see what it's going to do. So you can see it. with the help of this tool, it has been able to create a picture, though this is not exactly what I want, but this is just trying to tell you that it's possible to create a picture with ChatGPT. Let's go back to other prompts there. I've forgotten my login details here, but I pray that I remember so that I'll be able to create stunning pictures and images. So let's say I pick this here, .e. So you have answer like a human, .e being image creator. I can pick this one. So when I pick this one, they ask me the background. I choose, you can choose random or type the background if it is white or black. So please select a keyword. Let's say image of a tech savvy. So when I click here now remember, the generative AI is to create prompts that you are going to use for your image generator. So I've seen this one. I think this is too long for the image generator, but let me copy it. Generate an image of tech-savvy individual in a futuristic cyberpunk art style, surrounded by holographic interfaces and typing passionately on a holographic keyboard. So I'll copy this here and take it to my Bean image creator. In case you are using the Bean image generator, this is for the first time, just go to bean.com/create, paste whatever you've created there. You can see I said some of them are too long, so but I just want to click join and create. It's been a while. I'm already logged in here. So let's wait for it and see what it's going to generate for us. So in case you've not been generating good images, you can use this ChatGPT AIPRM. You can see the image it has just created. So remember, it said individual in a futuristic cyberpunk art style. So it helps to generate prompts that ordinarily you wouldn't have thought of. So you can see this one here. If you are not comfortable with that, we can go back. I'll click on new chat. I'll click on new chat. Let me select another one. I don't like this, that. Let me click all and click highly detailed mid-journey prompt. Let me pick this one here. Highly detailed mid-journey prompt. Let's say a tech savvy. So I click enter. So let's see what it's going to generate. So you don't need to create so much of a prompt. Just tell it what you want and it's going to create it. So I think this is very okay. This is okay for me. So I'll just copy from here to here. Make sure you don't add all these ones here. Just copy just this here. I'll paste it here. Let me delete all this here and paste. So if you have a particular thing in mind to do, all you just need to do is to ask the prompt. Use a particular category. For now, I use this category. So let's see what it's going to generate for us here under the Bean image. So you can see it. If you're not satisfied with it, you can always adjust your prompt here. So you can see it. You can see this is a tech savvy. I'm not satisfied with what it generated. So let's say either I click regenerate or I say a beautiful lady sitting in front of a computer. So let's see what it's going to do here for us. So let's pick this here. I just want to use Midjourney. Close this here. All right, so let's create it and see what it's going to create for me. So if I'm not satisfied with that, I'll come back to new. Remember, you can always revisit whatever you've done here at the left hand side. If I'm not satisfied with that, I need to come back and look at what I'm doing here. So let me pick the one that is. So you can see this here. Let's see this. So to help you create something, you can see it. It's not looking so real. Now, one thing I want to let you know is that AI prompting is more or less like a trial and error. You just need to keep trying and trying and trying until you get what you want. So that's that about this here, though that image is not good enough. So but well, let me pick another one. Paraventure, you will get a particular one that suits you. So you keep trying each of these here. We have highly detailed mid-journey prompt. We have photography like mid-journey prompt. Let me pick this one here. There were some good categories I had once used that I need to save them, and so that anytime I want to do anything, I just go straight to this prompt instead of doing the trial and error method. So let's pick this one and see what it can bring. A beautiful woman sitting in front of a computer. Let's send this here. Let's see what this is going to generate. Remember, each category have what you can either pick another category or regenerate it. So let's wait for this and see what it's going to generate. Remember, you can always edit your initial prompt here. What is happening? Why is it delaying? So let's wait for it and see how far. And let me clean this up here. Why is it delaying? Why is it delaying? Why is it delaying? Let me copy this here. I'm going to reload this again. So let me reload this here. Photograph like mid-journey patient prompts. I just want to pick that one and see. And send. Let's see. Okay, it's coming up. So let me see if I'll get. So it's giving me, here are 4 mid-journey prompts. That's wonderful. It's giving me 4 different mid-journey prompts. Remember, we're supposed to use this for mid-journey, but let me test it with this here and see. You can see that the prompt is not complete. So, but let me just remove that here to make it complete. And let's see. It has given me 4 different prompts. I'll also copy this one and keep. Let's see what it's going to generate here. So you can see this. You can see this lady. There's now on a computer. You can see this one. Wow. You can see that this one is perfect for what the images look like real human, though this is quite erotic for the public. You can see that if you use that photography, you will get real images of what you want. So this is how to test each of the categories that you want to see that you get the best of what you want. So let me pick, I've pasted the second one. So remember, I chose photograph like mid-journey prompt. So let's see what is going to generate next. I think this is going to be perfect for whatever thing you are doing. So you can see this did not come out well for me. This came out well, but looks quite robotic. This came out well, but quite robotic, not as I expected. So let's test the second prompt. Let's test the third one. Let's see the third one. Delete this, copy and paste. So I want to make this video as short as possible, as 30 minutes. I'm almost running out of time. So you can see this here. So you can see this is good, this is cool. This is also cool, though they are almost making the women go naked. So we can adjust this here. Let me pick up the last. Let me just pick the last one, a beautiful woman sitting in front. So the way AI has been built, that a beautiful woman must be naked, but let's just manage whatever we are seeing here for now. So remember, I use mid-journey photo like prompt. Remember, if you are using mid-journey, this prompt will come out, this will come out, so it will come out so nice and fantastic. So I'm just using I'm using Being Image Creator. So remember, I used something like this. Where is it? Photograph, like, Mid Journey Prompt Maker. So I think this is cool. You can always test any one you need. I think with that, we come to the end of this lesson. So that's that for ChatGPT AIPRM. Install it. Remember, this is for desktop users.